Okay, Papa, taste our champorado. Go.
Champorado.
Okay, tell us if it's good.
Masala.
Ready, guys? Okay. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to ericrizavlog. Papa is not here, but I have, as usual, my two kitchen helper. Who are you?
Nini.
Okay, Nini and Tutoy. Okay. So today we are going to make the staple and the original Filipino food.
Nini, not yet.
Yeah, not yet, Nini. Mama's making an intro, Nini. Not yet, okay? Yeah, so we're making Filipino Champorado. I'm not sure how it is called in English, I would say. I think this is chocolate rice, I would say. Nini, wait, anak, wait. Nini's already showing the chocolate rice, okay? But before that, again, guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, we're inviting you guys to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can be updated to all of our uploads. We try to put up videos, 1 or 2 videos at least every week. So hit the notification bell, guys. Okay, so for this for this recipe, as I said, we are going to make champorado. But the thing is a champorado with a twist, okay? So I'll tell you why there's a twist, okay? So the ingredients are rice na malagkit. So this is 1 cup. However, because I wash it I think an hour ago, so it expands, right? And so this is washed and soaked in water for at least an hour. Today, wait. So we have the cocoa powder. There. So I guess any cocoa powder you can use. This is also 1 cup of cocoa powder. Also, it's, I guess, for Filipino who have an access to the organic tablea. I guess it's better because it's an organic chocolate. We have 3/4 brown sugar. And, Totoy, wait, anak. And a pinch of salt. Okay, a pinch of salt. There, okay? And for the twist, we are going to put coconut cream. Right there, okay? So for the twist, because you know why I'm putting coconut cream? Because I felt like the champorado is already too sweet, too much of sweet ingredients in it with the cocoa powder and the brown sugar, and usually it doesn't really taste anything if you don't put too much sugar. Now, to compensate the taste, that's why I am using the coconut cream. Okay, guys, so coconut cream, half of this. I'm using half of this. So I guess for those of Filipino that wants to try this recipe, you can just use the unang gata, right, Inay? That's called. Pero dito sa Canada, there is no, we cannot use the unang gata, or we can do our own gata. So that's why I'm using this, okay? Okay, so I have the boiling water in here, guys. We're gonna start cooking. So this is 4 cups of boiling water. So we just put our rice.
Mama, can I?
No, anak, huwag na dahil mainit. Okay, mamaya ka na, okay, anak?
Okay.
Okay, so we just put our rice. Right, so you can adjust the amount of water if you need more while you're cooking. But for this, we're just going to boil the rice, keep it boiling and boiling and boiling. Okay, and we're just gonna wait. So, and then while we're boiling the rice, we're just going to put a pinch of salt. So really just a pinch of salt, not much. Okay, there you go.
A
pinch of salt. Nini, are you gonna eat this?
Like,
Ayaw mo?
ouch!
Ayaw?
I think it's going to
just gonna eat a pinch?
Unless...
Ay, ikaw, Nini, kakain ka ng champorado?
No, I'm talking about because we gotta put 1 cup of pinch.
What cup of pinch?
1 cup.
Nini, kakain ka nito?
Yeah, I am.
Sa palagay mo masarap to?
I am.
Chocolate rice. Excited ka, Nini? Kumain ng chocolate rice?
Yeah.
Ano pinaka-paborito mo na niluto ni Mama, Nini? Yung pinaka-gusto mo na niluto ni Mama?
Oh, Mama. Happy.
Ano nga yung pinaka-paborito mo na niluto ni Mama?
Chocolate?
No, not chocolate. So, anong pinaka-paborito mong niluto ni Mama? Ha? Ayun, hindi mo ko. Okay, so you just let it boil. Let the...
Is it boiling?
Not yet. So
It
we'll
needs
just...
fast heat.
Huh?
It needs fast heat.
Fast heat? It is already fast heat. Ano?
But it's not going fast. Can I
Okay.
put it?
Not yet, anak. Not yet, Tutoy. Baka malaglag yan sa iyo. Okay.
Yeah.
What if kumanta ka muna, Ethan, habang tayo naghihintay?
Why?
Kumanta ka muna ng... I don't know. Ako ay may lobo. Kumanta ka muna.
I don't.
Dali na, para isesend natin kay Gigay ng regala. Go.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No.
kumanta ka muna. Ako ay may lobo.
Okay.
Okay, dali na.
After my lobo.
Ako ay may lobo. Lumipad sa...
hanging. Na
Hindi ko na
nakita.
putok
Na
pala
sayang nga
ang
pera
pera ko.
ko
Binili
ng
ng lobo. Ano pa? Kung spaghetti.
No, it's food.
Oh, okay. So what's your favorite food?
What?
What is your favorite food?
Rice and beef.
Okay, kung rice and beef, sana
Sana
nabusog
na pa
ako. Oh, how about you, Nini? Can you sing a song, Nini? Can you? Okay, so guys, so since it's boiling, we're just gonna wait. So just keep on boiling. If you think that the rice is getting you know, like halfway cooked, then we can add all of our ingredients. But for now, I'm just gonna cover it, and we'll wait for maybe 10 minutes. But then occasionally stir it para huwag tumutong. What is tumutong in English? What is tumutong? So it won't get burnt. Okay guys, so we'll be back. Okay, so you guys, as I said, occasionally check if your rice is getting cooked. So let's say this one is getting half cooked already. So we are going, as I said, for the twist, we are going to add now the coconut cream for those people who have an access to. Okay, so you do it, okay. Nina, can you? Okay, so then when it's time for the cocoa, you put it, okay? And Mama put. No, Nini, ako na muna. Yan sa iyo sugar, okay? Okay? Alright. So yeah, I was saying that put the coconut cream para lumasa na.
No, not yet.
And as I said, if you guys have access to unang gata,
Mix.
then it's better. So there. And feel free to add more water if you think that it needs more. But otherwise, I think this is good.
So it's
Ooh, it looks getting creamy, Tutoy.
It's getting creamy.
Yay! It's getting creamy. Nini, mangangain ka ng champorado ni Mama?
Look, yeah.
Oh.
So guys.
So guys. Okay, so look guys, it's getting creamy. Yum, yum.
Yum.
Tutoy, ano ang Tagalog sa chair?
Cereal.
Okay, ano ang Tagalog sa red?
Pula.
Ano ang Tagalog sa blue?
Azul.
That's right. Ano ang Tagalog sa table? That's right. Ano ang Tagalog sa rep? When your clothes is rep, what is the Tagalog for that?
I don't know. Ote.
What?
Ote.
Butas.
Potas.
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 So itchy?
Potas.
Okay, we'll remove it then.
Potas.
Ano ang Tagalog sa packet? Say Nini have a packet. Ano Tagalog sa packet?
Potas.
No, bulsa, silly.
Pusa.
Okay, so guys, you see that it's very thick now. Very, very thick. Then now we're going to... Nini, you wanna add the sugar, Nini? And also, to make... yeah, that's the secret for cooking your glutinous rice fast. You soak it for at least an hour before you cook it. So let's see here how fast it is. Not even 10 minutes. Nini, you wanna put the sugar in that?
Yeah.
Okay, put the sugar.
We thought it was 10 minutes.
Oh, okay. So there we put the sugar. Toto, you wanna put the cocoa now? Here, we'll move our... Okay, go. Cook the... No, you're done. Okay, put the cocoa, anak. Put the cocoa, anak ko. Yeah, lahat, anak. Lahat, ilagay mo lahat. Lahat, yeah, lahat. Okay. There, and then you just mix well. And then, really, that's it. That's your champorado right there.
But look.
What do you mean, bulok?
No, but look.
Oh, look. There. That's your champorado.
But I want chocolate.
Yay. So, some people, I know in Philippines, eat this with tuyo. So, there. So, you know, like, it's so malasa without using so much sugar and cocoa, which is very, you know, like so sweet. There, let's see. I'm just gonna try. Toto, do you wanna stir? And then Mama's just gonna try if luto na. Toto, haluin mo anak, halo. Haluin mo ng ayos ha, ayos ang halo. There. So let me just try if this is cooked now. Toto, haluin mo dali, baka masunog ang ilalim. Halo.
Fire's
Oh
popping.
my God, it's so malasa. It's so good.
How does
And yeah, like the rice is already cooked.
Cooked.
Nini, tama na anak. Tapos na, tama na. Ano anak yung ilalagay mo?
How does it taste like?
Nini, anong ilalagay mo? Ano pa yan anak?
There's still more.
Oh, okay. So lagi na. Ubusin na. There. Wala na? Tutoy, wala na? Ubus na?
Yep.
Okay, so you just basically, because this one, I think I need 1 more minute to cook. And para lumasa din yung chocolate. So we're just gonna keep it stir
Smells good.
for maybe another minute. And then that's it. That's your champorado. It's so quick and it's so tasty. As I said, the coconut milk actually helped. Okay. Yay. Okay, there you go. Okay, just wait for 1 more minute. So this is cooked now and we're going to try it out. So it's, as I said, it's so fast. I think this champorado cooked less than 20 minutes, right? And yeah, like less than 20 minutes because it saved you time. So I think the tip is wash the rice 1 hour prior to cooking it, because when it expands, it's easy to cook. And use coconut milk instead of to compensate it with sugar, because it tastes so much better. So this is our champorado, our version of champorado. And to eat it, you are actually, Nini, wait, anak, wait. You can actually add milk to it, but it's an optional. So let's add milk and let's see if Nini would like it. Okay? Okay, Nini. Kuya, you wanna try? Why not? Come on, Kuya. You like it, Nini? See? Nini like it. Let me try it, guys. Let me see on my own thing. Oh wow, it's a really huge difference. Okay, so that's all for our champorado recipe. I hope you learned something. And yeah, till next time. Bye everyone. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.